Deck the halls with boughs of holly and a side of anxiety? The festive season is supposed to be joyful, but for many, it can be a major stress trigger. Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's navigate the holidays with some handy tips for managing anxiety and keeping calm amid the cheer. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a step back. Prioritize your tasks and delegate. Think elves, not reindeer. Make a budget and stick to it. Remember, the perfect gift isn't always the most expensive. Focus on the joy. Schedule time for things you truly enjoy, whether it's baking cookies with loved ones, taking a solo walk in nature, or curling up with a good book. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for your well-being. Ground yourself in the present moment. Practice mindfulness. Try a simple grounding exercise. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Don't isolate yourself. Connect with loved ones who support you and understand your anxiety. Share your feelings and seek their comfort. Laughter is the best medicine, so share some joyful moments together. Know your limits and set boundaries. It's okay to say no to invitations or engagements that might drain your energy. Prioritize your own well-being and don't feel pressured to participate in everything. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you get enough restful sleep to recharge your mind and body. Regular sleep hygiene is crucial for managing stress and anxiety. Breathe deeply. When stress hits, take a few minutes for simple breathing exercises. Inhale slowly, exhale completely, and focus on your breath. It's a quick and effective way to calm your mind and body. Remember, the holidays are about celebrating, not perfection. Don't put immense pressure on yourself. Embrace the imperfections, focus on joy and connection, and remember, you've got this. Wishing you a happy, healthy, and anxiety-free holiday season. Share your best stress-busting tips in the comments below, and let's support each other through the joyful and sometimes slightly chaotic festivities. As always, subscribe to our channel for more content.